All right, so it's Eric Miller here from Project Sanity and the Progressive Army with the wonderful David Kopp. He just gave us a great presentation today here in Olympia, Washington. A great intellectual mind who's been fighting to better this world for many, many years, many decades, and I'm sure he's going to do it for many decades to come. So I just wanted to say a special thank you to David for speaking with us today and for speaking to this great group of people. Thank you, David.
Eric Miller, thank you so much. And listen, so it's Project Sanity.
Yes, sir.
But part of the Progressive Army.
Sir.
So Eric Miller deserves to be lifted up as an individual for the work that he's doing individually. But notice his commitment to a project that's bigger than himself, Project Sanity, that is also part of the Progressive Army, that is also part of a growing movement. Eric Miller is demonstrating what is so desperately needed, and you can join it too. Thanks, Eric.
Thank you, David.
Thank you so much. Peace.
Peace. Awesome. Love